Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do jewelry, accessories, lifestyle, beauty, obviously. We do snacks, we do pets, we do a little bit of everything here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join us. And guys, as always, please do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video because it does help me out. As you can see, today we are going to be unboxing the January 2020. Gotta keep saying that. I keep having a hard time. January 2020 Allure Beauty Box. So for those of you that do not know, Allure Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $15 a month. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Allure. Now, if you have not signed up, your first box is usually $10 and you get some kind of bonus gift. So that is always awesome. Last month, they killed it. They did a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills and the box was amazing. And Allure is one of those boxes where they go through a couple of months and it's just like bam, bam, bam. They knock it out of the park. Then they may have 1 or 2 months where it's just like, okay. And then they're back to bam, bam, bam. Like, it's amazing. So for $15 a month, do I think Allure is worth it? I do. I do think Allure is worth keeping because the months that are like, wow, really make up for the months that are kind of like, eh. So let's get in here and see if we have a wow or eh. All right. So when you open it, there is always a little pamphlet with a beautiful person on the cover. And inside here, it will go over full-size pricing of the products. And it doesn't really give you a description of the product. It gives you kind of one of the Allure editor's opinions of the product. So I don't usually typically read that description because it is someone else's opinion. So we will just kind of go here and we'll know the full-size pricing and all of that. But let's get in here and see what we got. So we have our red tissue paper. And we pull it back and there's quite a few products in here this month. So let's get started. All right. So our very first item, let's see, this looks like this may have been a variation. You could have gotten one or the other. Yes, it says you will receive da-da-da-da or da-da-da-da. And the da-da-da-da that I got is the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. And this is $23. This is obviously a full-size product. And it is in black. Now, I do not have this mascara. Tarte is one of my favorite brands. And I do like a lot of the products from their Amazonian Clay collection. Get this out. Oh, I like the packaging on this. So there's that. And it's really just like a standard straight with a little fluff to it wand. So let's see what they say here. One easy coat, aggressively volumizes eyelashes. Oh no, it says if you're expecting a mascara that aggressively volumizes your eyelashes, look elsewhere. This guy gives lashes length, but just a bit of volume. So, okay. So I'm definitely happy with a full-size Tarte product. And again, that is $23. And then we have a sample of the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This has made its rounds quite a bit in FabFitFun. So if you've seen that, you know what this product is. It is an exfoliator. It is an amazing exfoliator. It is a very expensive exfoliator. The full size is $75. So I actually have the full size. So I will set this to the side for a future giveaway. But this way you can see the product there. So if you have not tried it, like I said, it'll be in a future giveaway, so maybe you'll get a chance. All right, and then we have, this is from Philosophy. I love Philosophy products. Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. And it says Philosophy, live with optimism, renew with hope. Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. And this is, the full size is $39. Now I love a good water cream. I love that this has, obviously with hyaluronic, you know, it's going to have hyaluronic acid in it. And I love products with that. So I'm excited about this. Let's see how big it actually is. So I'm definitely, little baby sample. So I am excited to give this a try. Again, like I said, I love Philosophy and I love water creams. So there's that. And there's no scent, and it went right in. So I'll give it a try. And then we have from Allure Skin Pure Lip Restoration. The full size is $30. It says, let's see. This editor is talking about getting chapped lips to the point that it hurts. Balm needs to be multi-purpose. That I can use them everywhere. Reliable. Almond and castor seed oil are the main hydrating ingredients, while beeswax locks in antioxidants. It says she dabs it on rough patches all day, but always reach for it as a lip balm first thing in the morning. So let's see. And I don't know if this is full size. It's hard to say because lip products, especially like a lip balm, it's hard to say what the full size would be because usually they're not gonna be that big. So here is the product outside of the box. And you screw the lid off and there's that. So there's a good, I mean, there really is a good amount of product in there. Again, I don't know if this is full size. I kind of want to say that it probably is because again, it's a lip balm, and lip balm products and stuff, their lip scrubs, you know, they're not going to be that big. So if that's the case, this is $30. All right, and then we have from Nature Lab. This is a Shine Oil Mist. This is for your hair. Full size is $16. And lightly mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine. So it says it's color and heat protectant, or it is a color and heat protectant. It's paraben free. It is cruelty free. A light reflecting hair oil mist for instantly smooth wow factor color and shine. Lightly mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine. I usually don't reach for products like this because I don't want my hair to look oily or shiny. I mean, it looks shiny enough to me as it is, and I feel like products like this, in my personal opinion, with my hair and my hair type, makes it look kind of weighed down and things like that. So it says grape stem cell technology. I'll probably put this to the side as well for a future giveaway. Just again, because I personally don't reach for these. I think it's a great item to have in a box because a lot of people probably really would love it. But again, it's just my personal opinion and my preference. I don't reach for things like this. So it'll be in a future giveaway. All right, and then it looks like we have one more product, and this is Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. Full size is $62. A new upgrade of our vitamin C dual serum skincare finalist of the 2018 Cosmoproof Awards. Helps skin look firmer, brighter, and hydrated. Age-defying and deep hydration. A blend of Vitabrid CG, stabilized vitamin C, and peptides reduce signs of aging and brightens skin tone while providing deep hydration. It is dermatologically tested. And it says powerful proprietary blend of Vitabrid CG and peptides to help reduce the signs of aging, brighten the skin, and improve dryness and overall skin complexion. So there's that. So here is the product. Looks like they definitely have room to put a little bit more in there, but that's okay. I'll definitely put this to the side as well. I have so many serums that I know I'm not gonna go through. So I would like to share this with one of you guys. And like I have vitamin C serums as well. I really do enjoy them. So hopefully one of you will enjoy this. So that was our January 2019 Allure Beauty Box. Let me know down below what you thought about the products. I think it was actually a pretty good assortment of products. We got a serum, we got an exfoliator, we got something for our hair, we got something for our lips, we got the Philosophy little sample of their water cream, and then we got the full-size Tarte mascara. So again, I think it was a good combination of products. So again, that link will be down below. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.